How can we cause an object to make a sound? Of course, we have to make it vibrate to hear it. Let's do the first experiment to hear the sound of the skewers. Depending on the length of the skewer, high or low sounds are produced. The longer the end of the skewer, the less it vibrates and produces the lower sound. The shorter its end, the higher sound it makes. At the same time, the sound waves spread in all directions from the skewer. Sound waves looks a bit like waves in water. In the next experiment, we will amplify the sound. If we stretch out a rubber band and twang, we will hear a quiet sound. By stretching it over a cup, we will hear a louder sound. The cup amplifies the sound of the rubber band because its walls also start to vibrate. Subscribe to my channel, I'll see you in the next educational videos.